make delicious crab pasta salad. This crab pasta salad is so good. You're going to want it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner every single day until all of it's gone. It's so easy to make. It's so much fun to make. Whoever you feed it to, they're going to love it, even the kids. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some elbow macaroni noodles, okay? So depending on how many people you're making it for, that's going to depend on how many noodles you use, okay? So now I have the imitation crab meat. If you want to buy the real expensive crab meat, you can do that. I never do. I love this imitation crab meat, and it is so gorgeous. I always use 2 packs because I don't want nobody to have to fight over, you know, the crab meat. I want for every bite that you take, you're going to have that crab meat in your mouth. We got a nice, beautiful sweet Vidalia onion and some lovely fresh tomatoes. The tomatoes are gorgeous. I got a bell pepper. Your favorite mayonnaise, okay, I'm not using a sweet mayonnaise. For this recipe, it should be a savory mayonnaise, although we are gonna add some sugar to it, but you get the gist of how we're gonna balance it out. So now, when I have my crab pasta salad, we always like to serve it with some type of crackers. And so I have some beautiful butter crackers here that I love. These are just like the club crackers. And we put eggs in ours. The eggs are boiled. I'll probably be putting about between 5 and 7 eggs in there. I want a lot of boiled eggs in mine. You're gonna need some seasonings. We got salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. We may sprinkle some paprika on top. Make sure your hands are clean. Let's make the most delicious crab pasta salad you've ever had. First thing we're gonna do, let's go ahead and get started chopping up our imitation crab meat. I have two 8-ounce packages here. You can get the kind that's just like the strips, and you can pull it apart, shred it apart. I like to kind of chop mine up. I always use 2 packages because it's gonna give me a whole lot of crab meat in there, okay? Now, I wanna know from anybody in the comment section, are you buying the real crab meat? That costs $24 per 8-ounce container. So you're gonna get like this much crab meat for $24. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. If you have my crab salad, it's gonna have imitation crab meat in it, and it is so gorgeous. Are you kidding me? Yes. Let's go ahead and put our crab meat that we chopped up right in with our 1.5 pounds of the elbow noodles that I boiled for 11 minutes. If you let the water come up to a nice boil, you salt the water, and you're cooking your noodles for 11 minutes, they're gonna turn out perfect every time, which is al dente. It's chewy to the tooth, but never mushy. If you go over 11 minutes, then the noodles are mushy. It's like the worst, right? So we're gonna pile on this beautiful crab meat, and let's get started chopping up some of our vegetables. So what this is actually a childhood recipe that I grew up eating, was the macaroni salad, right? And then somewhere along the way, I started adding crab meat to it, and now I call it my crab pasta salad, and everybody loves it. So you get 2 videos, 2 recipes for 1 video today. You get the original macaroni salad without the crab meat, and if you want to add the crab meat, then you have crab salad, right? I'm going to chop up these green bell peppers into like medium size, not too small and not too big, but let's get them in there because it's great color, it's beautiful taste, and also great nutrients. Go ahead and get these beautiful bell peppers in, just like so, and then we're going to chop up some tomato. I do want to leave a little bit of this tomato because I'm going to be making some turkey burgers later, and I want at least 3 slices of that gorgeous tomato for my burgers later. But let's go ahead and get started on the tomato as well. They are so fresh. They're bright red. I want to see the inside. I want to see how juicy it is. Oh yeah, it's juicy. Let me ask y'all a question. This is a fun question. Do you love pasta salad? And if you do, what is your favorite pasta salad recipe, and what ingredients does it have in it? There's another pasta salad that I absolutely love besides this one, and if you guys can put it in the comment section, I would love to read and see what ingredients you like in your pasta salad that makes that perfect pasta salad that you're used to, or maybe you grew up on. Let me hear from you. They're going right in, and they are beautiful. They're nice and juicy. This is the perfect evening to have crab salad. out on the deck. We'll probably sit out there on the patio, take the dogs out there, and I'll take my shawl out there just in case it gets a little chilly, and eat some crab salad with my crackers, of course, because anytime I have this crab pasta salad, always have to have some type of crackers to dip it up with. Yeah, and sometimes I can do without the crackers. I just go at it with a fork, you know. So now I have these beautiful boiled eggs that I have boiled. I've pre-cracked them, so I'm hoping that they peel for me. Thank goodness. Let's get these peeled and right into our salad. Let's finish cutting this half a tomato, and I got that tomato left over for my beautiful, I'm so excited for these turkey burgers. Do you all eat turkey burgers, or is it just beef? Let me know. If you've never tried a good juicy, flavorful turkey burger, I'm going to show you this evening how to make your turkey burger taste spectacular. So be sure to watch out for that video. I'm so excited to make it because it tastes so good. Go ahead and cut our onion, and this is a sweet Vidalia onion. So it's going to have a lovely sweet taste that you want in this recipe. If you're using just a yellow Spanish onion or a white onion, it's not going to have much flavor. It'll be super pungent and onion flavor, right? But the sweet Vidalia onion is kind of special, and it really tastes good. So I'm going to chop this up kind of fine, much finer than I did the bell peppers and tomatoes. We're going to get that put right in. Go ahead and get these onions in. My eyes, they are watering like a waterfall. Are you kidding me? I'll be back. I'll be right back. You see some tears on my shirt because those eyes have my eyes watering. I'm going in with some black pepper. Okay, we're going to put a nice amount of onion powder and garlic powder on purpose to make it taste good, right? You want flavor, I know you do. Put you some onion and garlic powder in. Yep. And then we're going to put us some salt. The eggs don't go in. We'll be putting some sugar in. It's not enough sugar to make it sweet, but it kind of balances out the savoriness that we're putting in here, okay? Gives it an umami taste. Every time they'll say, umami. Yeah, they will. So let's go ahead. This is a 15 ounce, yes. And we're going to put just about this whole container or the whole container. We'll mix it up and see what we're looking like. I may need some more. I tasted the salad. It tastes amazing, but it does need some more garlic powder. So I'm going to go in with a nice amount on purpose, right? Lovely. And then let's go ahead and start to cut our boiled eggs. I'll typically put about 5 or 7 in there, okay? And then from here on, when we stir it to get the eggs in here, just do like a folding technique so you don't mush your eggs, right? I want my eggs to still have like some nice bite to them and you can see them instead of turning them into mush. If you would have put them in a little too early, you just mush them up, right? Lovely. Look how gorgeous the salad is, and it's very creamy. Go ahead and stir in the eggs using that folding technique, just like so. Oh my goodness, you're gonna love this. This is for every day of the week. This is for the holidays, the birthday parties, the cookouts for sure, or just sitting out on the back patio, enjoying yourself. This is a whole dinner. Yes, it is. Look at this, I know. I know. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, what you waiting on, tell your family and friends, tell the world what Gina's doing every single day in this kitchen. And Father, on today, we thank you for this meal, your hedge of protection and your love. Oh, Father, I thank you for what you've done and what you're going to do. We thank you for your love time, your mercy, and your understanding. Amen. If you want to see me taste this, stay tuned. You want some? I'm about to go in. I'm about to go in. I'm not going to plate it up. I'm just going to take a bite or two, you know. Put it onto the cracker, y'all. Just like this. Oh. Oh. Yeah. When I tell you this is good.